What if you could develop software faster and with fewer errors? Automated app development is revolutionizing how we build software. From AI-powered code generation to no-code platforms for everyone, this is your guide to the future of software development. Let's dive in. Remember those late nights hunting down bugs or the endless cycle of code, test, deploy? Automated app development takes care of that. Automate testing, deployment, and monitoring. Push code and automated tests verify your work. Pipelines push code to production, while monitoring tools alert you to issues. Save time and focus on building amazing software. Time is precious, especially in the fast-paced world of software development. Automation streamlines the entire development lifecycle, eliminating those repetitive tasks that can bog you down. Think of it like this. You wouldn't assemble a car by hand if you had a factory, right? Automated app development is like building your own software factory, with robots, not literally, well, not yet, handling the repetitive heavy lifting. This means faster development cycles, quicker time to market, and ultimately a more agile and responsive development process. Let's face it, we're all human, and humans make mistakes. But in the world of code, even a small error can have major consequences. Automated testing and quality assurance tools act as your tireless digital detectives, sniffing out bugs before they become problems. These tools can run through thousands of test cases in minutes, catching edge cases and potential issues that might slip past even the most eagle-eyed human reviewer. The result? Cleaner code, fewer bugs, and a more stable and reliable product for your users. Software development is a team sport, and automation is the MVP that keeps everyone in sync. Integrated tools and platforms act as a central hub for communication, version control, and project management. Imagine this. A designer makes a change to the user interface, and instantly, the developers have the updated assets and code, all seamlessly integrated. No more lost emails, version control conflicts, or miscommunication headaches. Automation fosters a collaborative environment where everyone is on the same page, ideas flow freely, and development moves at lightning speed. With automation handling the heavy lifting, developers are freed up to focus on what they do best, solving complex problems and building innovative features. No more getting bogged down in the weeds of repetitive tasks. Imagine having the time to truly explore new technologies, experiment with creative solutions, and push the boundaries of what's possible in your software. That's the power of automation. It's about optimizing your most valuable resource, your developers' time and creativity to build truly exceptional software. Let's talk tools. Automated app development is powered by an ecosystem of incredible software designed to make your life easier. We're talking about tools like Selenium for automated testing, Fastlane for streamlining mobile app deployment, and Zapier for connecting different apps and services. These tools are like having a team of digital assistants, each specializing in a specific task, working tirelessly behind the scenes to automate your workflow. And the best part? Many of these tools offer integrations with each other, creating a seamless and powerful automation powerhouse. Ever dreamed of building your own app, but thought coding was a barrier? Low-code, no-code platforms are here to change the game. These platforms empower anyone, regardless of their technical expertise, to build powerful applications using intuitive visual interfaces and pre-built modules. Think of it like building with digital Lego bricks. You can drag, drop, and connect different components to create complex applications without writing a single line of code. This opens up a world of possibilities, allowing anyone to bring their ideas to life and contribute to the world of software development. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are revolutionizing automated app development. AI-powered tools can write code based on your specifications, detect errors, and even predict them before they occur. Imagine describing a feature and having AI generate the code in seconds. AI can also optimize your codebase for better performance. This is the future of coding, where AI partners with you in development, enhancing your skills and expanding possibilities. Automated app development is revolutionizing software creation. Faster, efficient, and accessible for all. From automating tasks to empowering creators, the possibilities are endless. Excited about the future of coding? Like and subscribe for more tech insights. Share your thoughts on automated app development in the comments. Until next time, please subscribe.